Welcome to Introduction to Hip Hop. Today's lesson, arm waving. Arm waving is a groovy move that you can work into your freestyle. It is super smooth and cool. Check it out. We're going to break down this move into each individual part, starting with the right arm wave entry. The first step is to point your fingers straight towards the sky. The second step is to point the fingers down to the ground. Step 3. This one involves two parts. You want your wrist to point down to the ground, but your elbow to point up to the sky. You might need to turn your shoulder and your body a little bit for this one. It will feel a little bit weird at first. Make sure you pause the video to practice if you need to. Step 4. This one involves a shoulder shrug. Try to get your elbow up close to your neck and ear as much as possible just to highlight this movement. There you have it for the first arm. Now the wave is going to come out from your left arm. You're going to do everything in reverse order, starting with the shoulder shrug. Next, you're going to do that two-part movement where your elbow is pointing up to the sky and your wrist is pointing down to the ground. Step 3, you're going to make sure you bend your wrist and point your fingers down to the ground. Step 4, you're going to finish off by pointing your fingers up to the sky. And there you have it. Let's put it all together to see what it looks like. Make sure when you practice this move, you break it down to each individual movement on its own. At first, each movement is going to seem very dramatic and rigid, but as you go faster and faster and your muscles remember how to do each movement, it'll get smoother and smoother until you got one smooth wave.